Hey friends, it's Laura with Lora's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. This is a very exciting video for me to record, and I'm hoping it's going to be exciting for you to watch. I have been trying to keep this secret for several weeks now, and hopefully you saw on social media last week on November 14th. I am so excited and honored to be part of the 2026 Social Stars for Benartex Fabrics. And I am so excited for the upcoming year because they will have all of the social stars doing some projects every quarter. We'll have some tutorial focuses, we'll have just some project focuses, and then we'll also have some group projects. So I was able to choose my fabrics for the first quarter last week, and so I'm already formulating ideas in my mind of what I'm going to do with that. And then in addition to that, I talked to him about sponsoring the sew along that's coming on the channel starting in January of 2026, and they were so excited and quick to say, yes, we want to sponsor this for you. And so they sent me all the fabrics I need, and they actually sent me an extra fat quarter bundle for the project as well, which I'm going to be giving away to one of you. So stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll talk about this amazing fat quarter bundle that you will get, that one of you will get to win, and I will ship it out to you so you can make the quilt that I make or make your own project. It doesn't really matter. Either way, whatever you want to use it for. So without further ado, I'm going to announce what our quilt along is going to be all about starting in January 2026, because I do want you to be able to gather some fabrics that you may need if you want to sew along with me and get an idea of what we're going to be making together. So in January of 2026, it's going to be my very first original design, and it's going to be a free pattern for you. I'm going to provide all of the templates, all of the instructions, and all of the instructional videos to support the quilt along, and all of that's going to be free. No newsletter signups, no mailing list signups, no cost to you. The only thing you're going to need to provide are your fabrics, unless you win that fat quarter bundle, and then you'll only have a few fabrics to gather up. The quilt that I designed is cocktail themed, and like I said, it is an original design. There are going to be 9 blocks in the quilt, and there is also going to be a large block at the bottom. So I guess there's technically 10 applique quilts. Definitely going to have some bias tape lettering in there and some machine embroidery and applique to finish the look for our cocktail quilt. Now, as we go along in the sew along, I will definitely be telling you some ways you can customize the quilt for your very own. And I'm also going to be giving you just some pointers and tidbits on ways to, maximize your efficiency and maximize the look of your finished quilt. I will be providing the templates that you need for the applique pieces. I'm also going to be providing a cutting guide, a labeling system, and then you'll have all the video tutorials to step you through making every single block. So the quilt along is going to start January 1st, and that's going to be our launch video, and it's going to be all about cutting and getting organized. And then for the next 9 weeks after that, we'll do 1 block at a time. Then we'll start putting that quilt top together, and I'm even going to do a wrap-up video where I show you a little bit of the quilting and the binding process to finish your quilt. And if I remember, I'll even show you how to do the sleeve part of that, because I know that sometimes when I'm watching a sew along, I'm like, well, okay, that's great, but I don't know how to finish this. And so I want to provide you everything from the very beginning of cutting to the very end of hanging your quilt. So I'm going to show you a line art drawing of the quilt, and it also has a bunch of numbers on it because this is kind of like my little doodle sheet. Let me get a little closer so you can see. There are 9 different glass styles in the quilt. And for every block that I release, I'm going to be including a cocktail and a mocktail recipe. So the drink that you're creating in your quilt, you'll also be able to create that drink to sip maybe after you're sewing, just in case it's a little strong. So let's go through the fabrics so you can see how many fabrics and what kind of fabrics that you were looking for. And I'm also going to make sure that I put a list in the description box down below, and that way you'll have a list of kind of a fabric breakdown of how many fabrics that you should gather. Make sure you go through your stash first, right? Because a lot of us have a lot of stash fabrics and leftovers from other projects, and there are definitely a few colors in the quilt that you're only going to use them for a few pieces. So if you have some scraps laying around, you could definitely make this quilt, the applique pieces for sure, with some scraps. Now you're definitely going to need some yardage for the borders and backgrounds, but let's go through the stack of all the colors. And as you saw earlier, this is the stack of fat quarters. There are 23 different fabrics in this quilt, which I know seems like a ton, but we have done quilts in the past that have had even more than that, double that for certain. So I know you can handle it, and you may even have some of those fabrics left over from other quilt-alongs that we've done together, and you can pull those together. So to break it down, I have 5 different greens, and I'm going to be using Benartex Cotton Shot. And so all of these are Cotton Shot fabrics except for one that I will talk to you about a little bit, which will be a customized fabric that you can choose for your quilt. But here are the greens that I've selected, and I will have a list of all of these down below. So don't feel like you need to grab the colors real quick from the video, because the list is down in the description box. But I am going to run down the list real quick. I have a green. Actually, you know what? Let me take you to the craft table and swing you down so you can see all these laid out and see how pretty they are together. All right, so all of our greens, we have a green, a lime, a forest, ivy, and chartreuse, which I know is kind of a, I don't know, I feel like that's kind of a crossover fabric between green and yellow, but we definitely need a little chartreuse in our quilt. And then we have 2, I call them purples. We have the cerise and plum. I hope I said that correctly. If not, someone correct me, please. And then we have a few yellows and oranges. We have a butter, sunshine, pumpkin, and marmalade. Those are our oranges and yellows. Then we have 3 reds, and they are very similar in color. And honestly, you could probably get away with 2 if you wanted to. But I do have 3 different colors in mine, just because the textures are a little different in these. If you see the way the texture is on these cotton shots, these are a little more mottled than this one. So, it probably wouldn't matter. If you're using scraps, you could probably get away with 2. Just have kind of like a medium or light and a dark shade of red. But I do have rose, scarlet, and red. And then we have our neutrals. And our neutrals that I've selected are chocolate, gingerbread, brown sugar, and linen. And those are our browns. And then I also have the white, and then we have 2 grays, which are silver and steel. So yes, we have a lot of fabrics here. And then we have a couple more that we're going to be using for the construction of the quilt. Now, the overall design of the quilt is supposed to kind of remind you of like a vintage bar. So I have selected the chocolate and a black cotton shot to build my bar with. And the black is also going to serve as a foundation for each of our blocks. And then inside of our black block, we're going to be using the only true print fabric in our quilt. And that's going to serve kind of like a wallpaper feel for each one of the little cubbies above the bar where our drinks are going to be sitting with their respective little ingredients and sweet little colors. So this is a Medallion Lace Cloud, and it's from the Paisley line. I really love this fabric. It's really pretty. And I love the way this reminds me of like a vintage wallpaper. And that's kind of what I'm going for in the design, is that this is the printed fabric, the patterned fabric, and it should remind you kind of like a vintage wallpaper. So these are the 3 fabrics that are truly customizable. They are not tied into a drink color or a cocktail design. They're what you would like to choose for your bar and your wallpaper. So think about that when you're looking at fabrics. The rest of them, you can definitely get away with just a fat quarter of each. Now you will notice that this chocolate color, I do have a fat quarter of chocolate set aside too. And that's because there are a few blocks, I think 2 blocks, maybe 3, that have a little bit of chocolate in them for some dark brown in the block. So you will still need a fat quarter of a dark brown. But then if you decide that you want your the frame of your bar, if you want that to be 2 different shades of brown, you could definitely do that. Maybe you like more of a modern sleek look, so maybe you want a black and a gray. So those are the 2 fabrics in the quilt that are truly customizable and something that I want you to pick that would go with your home style and your design style. And then again, the other one that you want to customize would be the wallpaper color for the background of your blocks. So of the black, which is the darker of the 2 colors in your bar, you need 2.5 yards. And then the chocolate, you'll need about 1.5 yards. I would probably just go with 2 yards just to make sure you're safe on that. So, 2.5 of the black, 2 yards of the brown, and then 1 3/4 yards of your wallpaper fabric. Now, you can totally change the look of this quilt. If you decided that you wanted to do 2 browns with the wallpaper, that's totally doable. So just, think about how you want your bar to look, because that's the main part of your quilt. All right, so those are the fabric selections that I have made. And like I said, the majority of these are the Cotton Shot, and I absolutely love the Cotton Shot fabric. It feels so good and it looks so good, and I love the texture on it. Like, look at that. That is perfect. It's going to give you some movement in your quilt without being a true patterned fabric, which is so fun. And Benartex definitely has several lines in their basics collection that are like that. So you don't have to go with a solid when you're making a quilt or a project that's calling for solids. Switch it out and see, look at some of the other basics lines and switch it out and think, oh wow, I could get a lot more movement in this quilt just by adding in a solid that is not truly a flat solid. And you guys know that I'm all about movement in my quilts. So it's really been fun giving you guys just like a few little ingredients for cocktails the last few months and giving those little teasers and the lead up to this reveal. I am so excited about using these fabrics and going through the blocks one at a time with you guys, showing you exactly how to put it together and then how to assemble your quilt. I think it's going to be a super fun journey to go on together, and I hope that you're as excited as I am about my first original design. I know several of you have been telling me for a while now that I need to branch out and do that, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, but I think it's definitely going to be worth it, and I'm excited to share that process with you. And I'm also so excited, again, to be part of the Social Stars in 2026. Please make sure you're following me on all the social media, because I will definitely be sharing different projects that I create with their fabrics over the next year. And of course, stay tuned to the YouTube videos, because I will be sharing all kinds of projects that I create and share and do tutorials for you. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited, and I cannot wait for January 1st, because that is when we're going to get down to business and start cutting out our Happy Hour cocktail quilt. And yep, that's the name of the quilt, Happy Hour. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I am going to be giving away a fat quarter bundle. Now this bundle does include a fat quarter of the chocolate, but it does not include any of the yardage that you need to make the quilt, because like I said, those are customizable pieces. I want you to choose what fabric you love for your wallpaper and the 2 fabrics you want for your main bar construction of your quilt. So the yardage requirements for those are in the description box down below, but you can win a fat quarter bundle to create all of the cocktails in the quilt. All you gotta do is leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite cocktail or mocktail is, and then also tell me if you plan on sewing along with the Happy Hour quilt come January 2026. That answer won't affect your ability to win. Everyone that leaves me a comment with their favorite cocktail or mocktail will be entered into a drawing to win the bundle, and I will be doing that drawing somewhere around December 15th, and I will be mailing it out quickly afterwards so you can start sewing along with me come January 1st. So again, thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, find joy in all you do, carve out some time for crafting and creating, and remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.